believe you don't even hear the siren.
The still got way more intense, guys. Way more.
You're not even
Take a look.
recording.
Take a look at that. You said?
Yo, Nehemiah.
Got way more intense.
Nehemiah,
What?
I need some help. I just heard the sirens.
No, you did
I
not.
did. I heard. It sounded like the sirens, like they did on video.
They would have been way louder here. We live right next to the community center. It would have been super
Is
loud.
that where the sirens come from?
Yes. It would have been super loud.
Yeah. I
It
think
wasn't
we
there.
should close the door.
Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. So
I thought you
way more intense, guys. I'm sweating.
Maybe we should open it.
I'm sweating because I ran around. Don't judge me.
Just in case we have
Real
to
men sweat.
Just in case we have to run in, I think we should keep it open. I think I see a funnel cloud.
I have to pee, so I'm just gonna pee. Psych. Okay, thunder. Damn! No, stay. Wow, look at this. Look here.
There's gonna be a flood.
Oh my God, Danny!
Look, Nehemiah, it's flooding.
Oh my God, it's flooding.
Yo, guys,
It's going all the way up there.
guys, we're going to die.
No, we're not.
We might. Nehemiah, look. Do you see any funnel cloud? Over there?
I don't see nothing. Dale! Wait, come on. Blood of Jesus. I said it won't say. You're gonna die.
Huh?
You're gonna die.
I am?
I talked to God, you're gonna die.
No!
Me too, I'm dying too. Calm down. So we do all the things we wanted to do before we die.
Wait, no! No!
What? What?
You said we're going to die?
God did.
Huh?
I just talked to God. He said, yes, we're going to die. So let's do the things that we all want to do. What do I want to do? I want to
Go into your house.
Let's go.
I mean, go in.
Yeah, he didn't say it. All right. Go!
I don't want to die, Nehemiah.
Yeah. Every time I say Daniel, guys, that thunder's gonna be like bah, bah, bah.
Come in.
Alright guys, about to end this vid. See y'all. Sweat.